back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I wanted to do a pan follow-up. I ordered these pans several months ago, and let's start out talking about the Ninja pans. I have been using these, and no matter what you cook in them, things don't stick to them. Things cook evenly. They cook well. I like them a real lot. This is how I started things. Over 40 years ago, I got Farberware pans. I went to like resale shops. I went to any yard sales that I could find, and I bought things that said Farberware because I knew it was a good old brand. And people get new pans, they think they're going to be great, and they like to pitch these. And these are really, really good pans. But these are stainless steel, and you have to cook different in stainless steel or cast iron than you do in a Teflon pan, which here's a Teflon pan right here, my wok. I got this on Amazon, so this is an Amazon wok pan, and I could put the brand name, I can't think of it. I'll put it in the notes. If you click on the subscribe button, you'll be able to see where it says more, and then in there I'll have the list of all this. But I even have the ring. You can put the ring on there, and it holds your pan either this way or this way when you're using a wok. But I'll tell you, these Ninja pans are absolutely fantastic. They work as advertised and better. So I am 100% happy with them. I don't work for them. I don't get paid to tell you this. I'm just like you. I'm not a chef. I'm just a cook, and I'm just making dinner for Barb and I. But I want to use some pans that work for me, and I'm real happy that I found these. They have that stone type finish on them. They have a stainless steel plate in them that makes them heat evenly. These pans here, these stainless steel pans, heat more in the center than they do on the outside edge. And the more you use this pan, the hotter it's going to get. So you put it on the burner, it's going to get hotter and hotter and hotter. So you got to keep an eye on that. These heat very even. This one here, I made lobster in it the other day. Just boiled for 18 minutes. I use it for pasta once in a while, but mainly when I make pasta, I just use a smaller pan since there's two of us. But to have a big pan like this, I know if you guys have families and you want to throw in some stewing beef and some carrots and celery and onions and all that, and you want to make it in a pot like this. But on a regular basis, I mainly use my frying pan and my deep frying pan for what I cook. Now let's talk about the other one here. This is Gotham. So this is the Gotham steel pan, and I tell you, it looks like it's a Teflon pan, but nothing sticks to it. It cooks real evenly. I use it when I'm going to make a lot of big stuff. I'm going to be putting in onions and celery and carrots or kale and baby bok choy. Some of the Asian recipes that I make, I'll use this. This was to replace my big Teflon pan. The Teflon pans, when they get old, they flake. And when they flake, it can be dangerous. You're not supposed to eat that stuff. So if you have old pans, get yourself some new pans. You'll be really happy. You'll be bragging like me. Sorry, don't mean to brag, but I love my pans. I'm real happy with them. And make sure you get yourself a wok. They're not cheap. Take care of it. And when you cook with it, make sure you're using the wooden tools. Make sure you're using the plastic tools. They say these pans you can use metal tools, but I tell you, when you have something that you like so much, you want to take care of it, and you want to be careful with it. So I have all the plastic tools that I could find at the store. I go through, and every time I find something new, I buy it. I have the wok shovel, I have the spatulas, I have the spoons, which are serrated, and the ones that are not serrated. For spatulas, I have them all in the plastic. And these come either black or they come red. I've just stuck with a black since that's what I had. Special spatulas for doing Asian food. So, and I just keep them all right here. If you're going to scoop out your pasta, use pasta scoops. And making hamburgers, they make the hamburger scoop. So somebody said something about cutting in these, and I thought I saw in the ad, they said something about you could cut in these with a knife. And somebody did send me a comment that says they say not to. I don't think I would, once again, just because I like my pans. And I tell you, these pans are not really expensive either. You know, it's not like I'm trying to protect $1,000 worth of pans. These pans were very affordable. And if something did happen to them, you know, for the price you could pitch them, but they have a warranty on them. So if something happened to the pan, you'd probably send it back and get another one. So I just want to tell you how happy I am. You can see what, you know, other type pans do when you try using them compared to these. You can see, I mean, these have not been in a bag on a shelf somewhere. I have been using these. And I probably could scrub them and get them a little cleaner, but, you know, I literally just use them, clean them, and start the next meal. I do so many meals. So some days, like a Sunday, I could do 3 or 4 meals, shoot 3 or 4 shows. So I'm using these pans a lot, and they're holding up well. I know they'll do well for you. That's my show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.